Young youths, I tell you something I no found now go on here. It's no found now go share the video here. When you no work hard, put on no money to use. You hear me I tell you? Nobody try impress no girl out there. No impress people, no go dance, go try. Behave like a big flosser. Buy bag of dear clothes and dear shoes, put on no money to use. Good use. We don't have age in our favor right now because we don't know all and don't have nothing out of life. Nobody now look on no. They are tune our homes. You hear me I tell you no? When you no work, put on no money to good use, save. Try to make something out of life. One horse. When you know all, when you have something can bring a little income or not have someone can sleep. When you know all, nobody know want soon no. Can you shit up on yourself and fart up on yourself and piss up the whole place.
Nah, I ain't never been with a body.
Joe, this. Where you say you never been with a body? Well, I want a Jamaican dolly. But like Tivoli when she flashy, go a hotel ahead in a lobby.
Right now, I don't see a young girl when I want to work, I want to have her own money. Better you have a work and a scam 2 man on the side more than have no work. I don't like you. You broke my vibe.
Pizza! 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 Pizza!
Because after all of this is through, before you can find the love you want, you gotta fall in love with you. You gotta stay single. I know just hearing that you got a little bit annoyed love, but filling your bed with different men ain't never gonna fill that void love. See, you keep thinking this is about dating and choosing better picks, but it's something broke inside of you that a man will never fix, and you gotta address that now before you end up in the worst place. Because it was never about what he did. It's why you chose him in the first place. It's something fucked up within you that the men you pick are a villain. Only women that feel damaged keep choosing men in need of healing. And what does it say about your heart if you keep putting it up for grabs? You constantly feel empty because you're trying to give away what you don't have. The seeds that you've been sowing were never theirs to reap. You've been handing out parts of your soul God intended for you to keep. And I can only keep it 100 that is something that you lack. For you to keep giving your heart to men that ain't never going to love you back. This goes for me. This goes for you. It's a hard truth I had to mention before we seek to fall in love. Let's do this self-love intervention.
Here's another insane website that feels illegal to know, Part 22. It's a website with a huge range of free tools that you normally have to pay for. For example, you can solve any PDF problem, edit and compress videos, or even download Facebook videos, convert images into different formats, and other useful tools. And it's called TinyWow.
My more, it can't fit never. My more, suffer me this.
Breadfruit a roast, everybody get around. These shots say she love off the breadfruit zone. Too watching at when this trap breadfruit have a raised on a tone. Breadfruit, you want breadfruit? Just tell me if you want breadfruit. Breadfruit, you want breadfruit? Catch it down to them called breadfruit. Watch it down, roast or fry, roast or fry. Catch it down, roast or fry, roast must have do the
Bumba ras, bumba blood clot, pussy in a bumba clot bag.
Baby, your skin smooth, but your love it rough. Touch your body so soft, but it cocky tough. Hey girl, you put on in a paradise. Hey girl, you put on in a paradise. Tongue in your ears, me I tell you something.
Chop, that them a banging like damn broke back. Get me lovey bat, miss where the coach back. 6 running players and no room chat. Got the Dracos, the Celtics plus Glacks. X-Style Shan.
I've decided that I'm tired of being tired, and that worrying is doing nothing except for making me lose sleep. I want to be in love with the life that I'm living, because if I'm not, how can I expect to be surrounded by the good stuff?
Nobody will not hype me. I feel the boy no more than me. I'm me run me show you. Me's a star. I'm the boss. You just, I don't like all your blood clot enough. You just enough.
Huh? You want me fuck up one on? Let me tell you this. Run up with the money, Shabba, do all of the food. Do all right.
Yo, life nice, then me couldn't want it for hungry. No gas to my belly.
Nobody. Me.
Hey, what the party there tonight? Me ready, you know.
Okay, let's switch the subject. Notice that both of my wrists is flooded. I've been grinding so hard getting to this money. I've been working like I know the drop.
I have a serious question I'm going to ask on the dog. I want to get that style from, I call the girl them bro, my youth, yo brother. Dog, I want to get them style I call them and then you know batty man my youth? What the bumbo cloth wrong with the dog? Every minute, as me look, this one video, yo bro, what happened to you? Yo dog, my youth. And it's a female dog, you know batty man. I want to get them style from dog. And them things I want to normalize. Fuck with the idiot, man. Wanna sound cranny, dog. Real thing. Take it on want. Wanna sound cranny.
Me feel like me get that spirit, mommy. Yes. Let it out. Yes, God. Are you here?
Show me a video of yourself and show me a video of you at work.
Desperado, sitting in a old Monte Carlo.
Hey, the talk the truth. Spice must stop young girl something like fruit. To kill her, the what I'm gun them me a recruit. This girl is a coward, them too much breadfruit. Hey! People me talk facts. Bitch point on Kim says she know me from back. You open her head with the fucking clutch back.
She never perform a sting, no, she draw me out. Say you mash up the place, no fit tongue, you mash up. Mount a boo where you get try clean your ears. Sting stand up and you stiffer than a dick in your mouth. You run gonna sting and end up get boo. Then you talk, say you take it, you leave a big loo. Talk when them pick you out a Gaza crew, you put it in the Lisa, I feel like dildo tongue. I beat in a duffy body like a Congo drum. And them I do the
talk the truth. Spice must stop young girl something like fruit. For kill her the whole of my gun, then me a recruit. This girl is a coward, and I'm too much breadfruit. People me talk facts. Bitch point on Kim says she know me from back. Me open her head with the fucking clutch back.
She never perform a sting, no, she draw me out. Say you mash up the place, no fit tongue, you mash out. Mount a boo where you get try clean your ears. Sting stand up and you stiffer than a dick in your mouth. You run gonna sting and end up get boo. Then you talk, say you take it, you leave a big loo. Talk when they pick you out a Gaza crew, you put it in the Lisa, I feel like dildo tongue. I beat in a duffy body like a Congo drum. And them I do the